Good afternoon, everybody. Wanted just to give you a quick update. I've had a couple complaints that it is difficult to read this new Outlook because the toolbar at the top is white, the bar underneath or the messages underneath are white, so it's kind of hard to differentiate. There's just not enough contrast. Also, a couple of questions about the unread emails and how they can be difficult to see. If you look at my emails, you'll notice, for example, this one has a blue bar. That means it is unread, but the ones below it don't. It doesn't stick out very much. So if you'd like to do some changes just to make it a little more distinguishable, a couple of things you can do. First, go to File. You want to go to Office Account. And you have a couple choices. So first you have what's called Office Background. If you want to just see, you can look up here in this top corner. You'll notice that the backgrounds are changing, if that matters to you. So I'm going to go for, let's do Toast, Lunchbox. You also have the office here for office theme colors. So currently we're set to white. Light gray gives us a slight variation with the blue bar on the side. What I would recommend is dark gray. Not very pretty, but it does help it stick out. And just to show you what I'm talking about, here it's a little clearer to see the differentiation between the bars, the top, the bottom, the messages, etc. And there is one last thing you can do. Currently, you'll see how my emails are showing up. The top two are unread. Everything down here has been read. If you wanted to make your unread messages stand out a little better, you would go to View, and you want to change, View Settings. You want to go to Conditional Formatting. Sorry about that. View, Conditional Formatting. Uncheck these and then leave unread messages checked. You'll click on font, and for example, I'm going to change my font to bold and red. Now this is only affecting my unread messages. Tell it OK, select OK. So now you'll see over here, my unread messages are now bold and red. Once I click on one and read it, they change back to the same structure as the rest of them. So just a couple of ideas to kind of make your Outlook a little easier to read. Looks a little more like the old way. If you have any questions, I will be holding a Microsoft Office 2013 help session, and I will email that date out later. Thank you, and email me if you have any problems.